Recently got this absolutely awesome dartboard that's actually safe for kids. Instead of using darts, it uses these little Velcro balls. It's super nice because this way I don't have to worry about kids getting hurt with it. The mat itself is nice and soft and super easy to hang. All the bright colors make it easy for kids who don't fully know their numbers to be able to still use colors instead to say what points they got. So far, kids have been having a lot of fun with this. It's a great toy and super easy to set up.